Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick update video regarding the AKK Ultra Long Range VTX, which I reviewed a few days ago. When reviewing the VTX, I mentioned that one of its issues is that it doesn't have an onboard LC filter, or maybe if it does, it doesn't perform great, because as you could see, the flight footage suffers from lots of interference. The reason I'm using the same setup, which might be a little bit noisy without adding external LC filters, is because I want to test how the VTX is going to perform in real life, and it gives me the option to compare different types of VTX and see how they perform under the same conditions. Having that said, since in my opinion the main target market for this type of product is RC airplanes, I wanted to see how it's going to perform as a standalone system, and that's what this update video is about. In order to test the VTX as a standalone system, I mounted the video transmitter inside this ventilated box using a double-sided tape, connected an FPV camera which is powered using the VTX 5V output, and powered the VTX directly using a 3S battery. The next step, as some of you might have already seen on my Instagram account, was to mount the box on my Mavic Air 2, which I've set to 2.4 GHz frequency in order to avoid video interference. After setting the VTX to 3 watts, I sent it away on the Mavic Air 2 to about 3 kilometers because unfortunately this is the maximum range that I can test in the location where I'm currently situated, and as you're about to see, I think, at least in my opinion, the results are quite surprising, and I'm not going to spoil the results for you, so I would like you to watch the video. And as a side note, I can tell you that yes, it was recorded on my goggles and it's not an onboard DVR. I'm going to wrap up this quick update video with the flight footage, and I think that I'm going to add this test to my upcoming VTX reviews because it adds another test dimension. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.